What's going on, y'all? I'm at my parents' place because my dad has a big upgrade for his 991. Check it out. Boom! BBS wheels that I think somebody punched in. He couldn't wait for me to get here, so he ended up opening up the box, and they are upstairs in the living room, and I don't think he can stop looking at them, which is probably why they're up there. So let's go check them out. Alrighty, what do we have here? Your new wheels, huh, Dad?
Yes.
Yeah, look at that. BBS CH-Rs going on the 991 C4S. I told you these are they're like a showpiece right now. He is wiping every single spoke. The reason he's wiping his wheels down is because, boom, we have some of the Adams Polishes graphene ceramic coating advanced kit. This is gonna do wonders at keeping that infamous Porsche brake dust off his wheels. Well, technically they're still gonna be on there, but they're gonna be so much easier to clean. So what we're gonna be doing tonight is we're gonna do the faces and the barrels, get them nice and ceramic coated before we get these mounted later this week. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you excited, Dad?
Of course.
Oh, these are gonna look so good. Perfect color. This is it's all wide body fitment too, so it's gonna be nice and flush. Because these are brand new CH-Rs, check this out. They have the plastic coating still on. I think this is to help protect that lip. And from our understanding, there's like a lip protector, which that plastic piece is actually covering. So we're gonna take the actual plastic covering off the covering. Ooh.
Wow.
Nice. So that's what it looks like under there.
So this is the surface prep. Spray it and rub it. So this is just kind of an alcohol prep.
So we just got finished using the surface prep and we started prepping the wheels, and pretty much now we're going on to start ceramic coating. And this is pretty much what the ceramic coat looks like too. It's I don't know if it'll focus, but yeah, it's not focusing. How was it? How was it prepping it? How did it feel? I know, you said it was strong.
The chemical is really strong, so I have to open both garages.
Yeah.
This is what we're gonna apply now. We're not gonna use this because that's the remover. We're gonna apply this using this. I'm just mixing this graphene ceramic coating advanced. Oh shoot, it leaked.
What happened? Oh, it opened up?
Oh my god.
So it ended up leaking, so we actually ended up having to get some paper towels.
Oh, you have to like imagine, I guess. You have to press it to open it. There you go. They recommend to just put a few drops.
Okay.
And then make sure to close this or to put the lid back. Did you overdo it?
Let's see.
Here you don't see any. But here, it's hard to tell. Look at that. Oh.
Oh wow.
That's probably because it's spilled. I'm gonna go and remove the excess. This one right here, I can feel it's grabbing now. That's how it should feel. It should feel like it's grabbing. Let's try applying it here.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
And then we go back. We'll go back to that one later and wipe it off. Okay, I think that should be enough.
Look who's here.
What's up, guys? Thanks for running the vlog.
Of course.
Done.
Ceramic coated.
Here too now.
Yeah, that's where over high spots. They call
Yeah.
them high spots.
Oh, you can see it in there?
So I think this is about the right time.
Yeah, so you have to wait a little bit.
Yeah. So when you are doing this is the thing that you use to remove, to wipe off, I guess, the excess.
Looks like a pillowcase.
Yeah, and then you just keep doing this. I'm getting better. So I think the last two will be faster.
All right, just finished ceramic coating these two wheels. How's it feel, Dad?
This one right here feels like glass. So yeah, we just finished that, and this one right here, yeah. But this one compared to this, which we haven't really ceramic coated, yeah, you can feel it's grabby. It's not as smooth as that one. So yes, it makes a big difference, I guess.
Quick update. So I mentioned earlier that we were gonna do the inner barrel. Turns out you can't do that because when they go and put the actual weights, when you get your wheels balanced, if it's coated, apparently they won't stick and they'll have to buff it out anyways. So I guess pro tip, don't do your inner barrels. Or if you do it after you get balanced, but then it gets annoying because the next time you get it balanced, you gotta take it off again. And also, another pro tip, like you guys can see here, the garage is wide open because that stuff stinks. It's pretty strong. If you don't want to be inhaling chemical fumes, do it in your garage or someplace well ventilated.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, it's 1 a.m. guys. Are you done yet?
Are we?
No, not quite. Maybe another half an hour.
Sorry, Mom.
We'll be there.
Okay, I'm gonna go up.
Okay, good night.
Bye.
Hi, Nelly.
Nelly.
Hi. Hi. We just finished the last wheel here. What time is it? Ugh, I can't see that. 2 in the morning. Apparently, the final step after you apply the ceramic coat and wipe it off is putting on this Adams Polishes single soft plush towel to kind of just buff everything out. So we're gonna go do that upstairs. That's 4. Alrighty, y'all. That is the end of the ceramic coating part. We're finally done. It's like past 2 a.m. and we're gonna go get these mounted later this week. So hang tight. Alright, today's the day. Putting these wheels on. What's up, Dad?
Excited.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Ceramic coated a couple days ago, ready to go. We're just gonna pack them up in the boxes. Let's go. Alright, let's get these wheels loaded. Last time with these wheels. Change of plans, the wheels don't fit in the truck, so we're gonna load it in the GLS. pulling up. We made it. Last time you'll see these wheels. All right, you ready? Yes. All right, let's get some BBSs on here.
Hello.
Hi there. Oh, so cute. Here we go. Ooh, he's missing a chunk right here. Don't know what happened. Ooh, there it goes. We're sourcing a tire for that right now, but everything else is up. It looks good. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, Dad, 3 of 4 done. Gotta come back for the last one.
No more spacer.
Yeah, I don't think you need a spacer anyway. I think you're good.
Perfectly, yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Good that we have it though, mounted still, because you can compare.
I know, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I do, reverse launch control. Uh-huh. Do the honors. BBS center caps. Ah. Pointed at the valve stems.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god. Alright.
Wow. Go enjoy your car. You happy with your new wheels?
Very happy.
Yeah,
Very happy. It looks perfect for the car.
it does.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right, guys, we are 75% of the way there, right? We have the one tire that had a weird puncture right at the corner of the sidewall. Well, right on the corner of the tread, excuse me. And that's right there. So it is what it is. I guess they ordered the tire today. It should be in early this week. So this car is gonna be ready again in no time. But look at that difference, by the way. You can see a huge difference in the silver and then in the stock wheel. The stock wheels look stock, but I think the silver CH-Rs look amazing on the car. Right there, right there. All right, Dad, final take. What is your opinion on your brand new wheels?
I love it. It's it matches the car. I think it's actually better. It looks better than the stock wheels. Yeah, I can't wait until they installed the last wheel.
Yeah.
Until then, should be done this week.
Yeah. Couple more days of waiting, y'all. So thanks so much for tuning in. But until next time, peace. Smells nice. Smells like Porsche.
Is that how it smells?
Yep.
Like oil?
Yeah. It's they call it Porsche perfume.
Oh really? I thought it was like, oh maybe it's liquid oil.
No, that's the smell after a hard drive. You smell Porsche perfume.
Ah.